Someone recently asked me, how do you put mindfulness into practice in your day-to-day life? So I'm going to give you an example of how this works. There was a time that I had to do a presentation in front of about 40 corporate clients. And it was the first time I was using this venue, and I had my slides on the computer. I'd never plugged in to this venue system before. It was actually my first corporate presentation. And what happened was I couldn't get in to my computer, and we ran around and it was a big palaver, and we finally got the right cable. And then as I was doing my presentation, I got about halfway through it and the slides just didn't work. I started to panic. I could feel the blood rushing to my face. I could feel that horrible feeling in the stomach when you go, oh, I want to be sick. And my palms started to get sweaty. But what I did in that moment was go, look, your hands are getting sweaty. Oh, look, you're getting nervous. This must be nerves. And because I was able to extract myself from that situation and observe it like a witness, I was able to be calm. My nervous system didn't go into panic and I didn't look like I was flustered. And I thought, okay, now I'm going to make a choice to do this off the cuff because I know the material really well. And that is exactly what I did. And nobody had a clue that that had actually happened. I managed to cover it up really well. So mindfulness helps you in situations like that.